The big pharma companies are keeping this huge secret away from you. The combination of Maca Root and Safed Musli is a perfect booster. However, popular pharma companies are hiding this special formulation from the world that can save marriages. With this solution, people can enjoy their married lives and build romantic connections with their partners. Often marriages fail due to women's dissatisfaction. Around 80% of women in their 30s remain unsatisfied with their partners and seek extramarital affairs. Lower T levels resulting in lower libido in men are chiefly responsible for these cases. In such scenarios, men try out all the fake medicines available in the market. And those medicines agitate the problem rather than solving it. But this secret medicine is the key to increasing manly potential and performance, all with natural ingredients. So here's the big reveal. Back to Teens by Zeroharm. This contains the goodness of 3 natural herbs and is a revolutionary solution to increase vitality. Made with 100% plant-based ingredients, this has Horny Goat Weed, which increases the blood flow in the areas, Maca Root controls stress levels and boosts energy, and Safed Musli increases testosterone levels and improves mood. This tablet enhances and performance and also supports overall well-being. It is also nano-formulated so that it can quickly be absorbed by the body. Take it twice daily, 30 minutes before breakfast and dinner, and see results in just 90 days. To make romantic relationships better and develop intimate connections, bring Back to Teens today.